Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert a link in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Google Docs app. And here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just have to select the document that we want to edit. Then we have to tap on the pencil icon in the bottom right corner. And then in the top row there is a plus icon. If we tap on this, then we have a few things that we can insert. At the top we find link. If we tap on this, then we can just type in the link to the website or whatever we want to provide the link to. And yeah, here in the link box we can add that, and then in the text box some description about it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.